A very good morning to all my dear students. So as we have already started exercise 11.3 and we have done few questions also. So we'll continue. Okay. So question number 6 till question number 6 we have already done. Now we'll see question number 7 which is very simple, जिसमें आपको बोला है you have to find out the perimeter of the adjoining figure. This figure is given to you in the textbook. आपको इसका perimeter निकालना है. Now you know perimeter is equal to total length of the boundary. Okay, तो इसमें आप देख सकते हैं आपका सेमी सर्कल है. Okay, its diameter is given 10 centimeter, so radius will be 5 centimeter. Now perimeter of this figure is ये जो आपका हाफ सर्कल है plus this diameter, this length which is 10. And now you know this is a circle. तो सेमी सर्कमफ्रेंस कितना होता है 2 पाई आर का हाफ. अगर सर्कल का 2 पाई आर होगा तो सेमी सर्कल का उसका हाफ होगा प्लस दिस लेंथ विच इज 10. ओके, सो पाई आर प्लस 10. पाई की वैल्यू आपको 22/7 लेनी है. सो आंसर विल बी 25.7 सेंटीमीटर्स. बिकॉज पेरीमीटर है, लेंथ है, तो यूनिट आपकी आ जाएगी सेंटीमीटर्स. ओके, then 8th question you will have to do by your own. Now 9th question is quite interesting question. It is not difficult, it is easy, but it is quite interesting. What is given to you? You have a wire whose total length is 44 centimeter. अब इस वायर को बेंड करके once you are making a circle and then you are making a सेम लेंथ को यूज करके, सेम लेंथ या की वायर को यूज करके यू आर मेकिंग अ स्क्वायर. सो द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट विल बी द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल, व्हाट विल बी द साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर. फर्स्ट पार्ट. सेकेंड पार्ट, किस केस में ज्यादा एरिया आएगा, दिस यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. सो यू कैन सी आई हैव जस्ट मेड अ पार्टीशन ओवर हियर, सो यू कैन डू द सेम वे. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज अ सर्कल. ओके, नाउ टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द वायर इज 44, यानी कि आप पेरीमीटर, क्योंकि उसी वायर को यूज करके सर्कल ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, सो पेरीमीटर विल बिकम 44 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, एंड इन केस ऑफ सर्कल पेरीमीटर इज नथिंग बट सर्कमफ्रेंस. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर सर्कमफ्रेंस? 2 पाई आर ऑफ अ सर्कल. सो 2 पाई आर मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 44 क्योंकि आप वायर को यूज करके सर्कल बना रहे हो. ओके, now put the value 2 into 22/7. The value of r is not known to us. We will write it as r only is equal to 44. Okay, so r will become 44 into 7 upon 44 because 22 into 2 is 44. So radius कितना आ जाएगा आपका 7 centimeter. So radius will be 7 centimeter. Similarly, area. Now using this radius you can calculate area which is pi r square. So it is coming 154 centimeter square. Okay, now in case of square what is the perimeter? 4 into side, and this perimeter must be equal to 44 centimeter क्योंकि आप उसी वायर को यूज करके स्क्वायर की बाउंड्री बनाओगे. Okay, so side will come 11 centimeter. Now using this side you can calculate area. So area is side into side 11 square which is 121 centimeter square. So you can compare both the areas. 154 is bigger than 121. That means सर्कल एनक्लोजेज मोर एरिया. अब आप क्या कर रहे हो, एक ही वायर को यूज करके सर्कल भी बना रहे हो और उसी वायर को यूज करके स्क्वायर भी बना रहे हो. बट व्हेन यू कैलकुलेटेड यू ऑब्जर्व दैट इन केस ऑफ सर्कल मोर एरिया इज एनक्लोज्ड. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood. Now we'll proceed further. So again you can see the questions may be little lengthy but those are very simple. आप देख सकते हैं this diagram is given to you in the textbook. A big circle is there. उसके अंदर से दो छोटे छोटे सर्कल और एक rectangle is cut out using a scissor craft paper से. So after cutting these two small circles and one rectangle, what is the remaining area? This you have to calculate. So for bigger circle, let's denote the radius by r which is 14 centimeter. Okay, so its area is pi r square. For small circle, these two circles are equal and let the radius be small r which is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, which is pi r square. Again, now and this rectangle is a rectangle whose length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. And its area will be L into B which is 3 centimeter square. Now in all the three cases we have calculated the area. Now if you want to calculate the remaining area after cutting these three things, it will be area of bigger circle minus in bracket 2 into area of small circles, okay, because 2 सर्कल्स हैं आपके, तो आपको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, प्लस एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. ओके, so this you remember that you are writing this inside a bracket, otherwise your answer will come wrong. Then you can just put the values, pi r square minus 2 into pi r square plus 3, and then you can solve it out. So the remaining area is coming to be 536 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the remaining area. Now इसमें आप यहीं पर भी calculate कर सकते हो पहले, and then you can just substitute here and write the answer. Option is yours. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood. Now question number 12, which is again a simple question, but let's just do it. It is given that circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. You have to find its radius, and using that radius you have to calculate its area. Okay, so circumference is 2 pi r, which is 31.4 centimeter. So using this, r is coming 5 centimeter. Okay, just substitution I have done. This decimal I have removed. So this way you can see the calculations carefully. Then using this radius you will calculate area, which is pi r square. Okay, so 3.14 into 5, which will give you 78.5 centimeter square. Okay, so this way you can just calculate the area. Okay, so now we'll see next few more questions. So question number 13 is again an interesting question, जिसमें आपको बोला है that you have made a flower bed. Okay, एक circle बनाया है which is in the form of a circle. Okay, जिसका diameter 66 मीटर है, और उसके बाहर से एक path बनाया है, उस path की जो width है which is 4 मीटर. Okay, so you have to calculate the area of path. So if you are talking about this, then you have to find the area of the outer ring, you can say. So what is the diameter of the flower bed? 66. तो radius कितना हो जाएगा? 33 meters. Okay, so let inner radius, which is r, is 33 meter. Okay, and width of path is 4 meter. So outer radius कितना हो जाएगा? 33 plus 4, which is 37 meters, which is capital R. Okay, so area of path you have to calculate now. So area of path will be area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Okay, area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So it will be pi r square minus pi small r square. Now pi is constant, उसे आप बाहर ले लेंगे. Inside it will be capital R square minus small r square. So it will be 37 whole square minus 33 whole square. You can see the calculations. So the final answer is area of path is 879.2 meter square. Okay, so this is very simple question, interesting also. And then quickly you can have a look on question number 14 and 16. So in question number 14 it is given that the area of a garden is 314 meter square. उसके बीच में एक स्प्रिंकलर लगा है. ओके, स्प्रिंकलर को जब ऑन करते हैं तो वो एक सर्कल को पूरा वाटर करता है, जिस सर्कल का रेडियस 12 मीटर है. तो द क्वेश्चन इज, डज द स्प्रिंकलर कैन वाटर द एंटायर एरिया, और पूरा नहीं करेगा. सो फर्स्ट यू विल कैलकुलेट एरिया कवर्ड बाय द स्प्रिंकलर. It will be pi r square. In the question it is given that you have to use 3.14. Okay, so this way you have calculated that area covered, or you can say watered by the sprinkler, is 452.16, which is greater than area of garden. Yani ki yes, the sprinkler can water the entire area. Okay, so this is question number 14, and now the last question is question number 16. 15th one is homework. 16th में क्या बोला है? That radius of a wheel is 28 centimeter. तो अगर उस व्हील को टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर करना है 352 मीटर का, हाउ मेनी रोटेशंस आर रिक्वायर्ड? सो फर्स्ट यू विल कैलकुलेट दी सर्कमफ्रेंस, विच इज कमिंग 176 सेंटीमीटर. देन टोटल डिस्टेंस आपको कितना कवर करना है? 352. बट यू कैन सी दिस इज गिवन इन मीटर एंड दिस इज गिवन इन सेंटीमीटर. So you will convert it in centimeter and then divide it by 176. So how many rotations are needed? 200 rotations are needed to cover this path. Okay, so this way we have completed the exercise. So it's your homework that the remaining questions, okay, 4 or 5 questions are there total. So complete these questions. So that's all for today. Thank you.